Hello students, today we will begin with exercise 5.6. Let's read out the question. Question number 1 is divide and write quotient and remainder. You have to divide the given numbers and then you have to write the quotient and remainder. So students, it's a 2-digit number that we have to divide and it is 10. So we have to divide 10. 10 is the dividend here and divisor is 3. So first if I'll take only one digit, right? So this digit is smaller than divisor. ये digit जो है 1 जो है ये divisor से 3 से छोटा है, तो division हम start नहीं कर सकते, right? For starting the division, what we need to do, the number that we are dividing, जिस number को हम divide करें, that should be equal to the divisor or greater than the divisor. जिस नंबर को हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं वो या तो डिवाइजर के इक्वल होना चाहिए या उससे बड़ा होना चाहिए. सो आई कैन नॉट स्टार्ट विद द डिवीजन बिकॉज दिस 1 इज स्मॉलर देन 3. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक वन मोर डिजिट. नाउ व्हाट इज द नंबर बिकम्स, इट बिकम्स 10. becomes 10. Now you know that 10 is greater than 3. 10 is greater than the divisor given over here. Now we can start with the division. So always remember, whenever you are starting with the division, the number that you are dividing, जिस number को हम divide कर रहे हैं, that should be equal to divisor. या तो वो divisor के equal होना चाहिए या उससे बड़ा होना चाहिए, greater होना चाहिए. Okay. Now what we are considering? We are considering 10. So let's read out the table of the divisor. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. I'm not getting 10 in this table. What I'm getting 9, which is smaller than 10, then I'm getting greater than 10. I'm getting 12. But I cannot take 12 because it is greater than 10. ये तो 10 से बड़ा है. I cannot subtract. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the multiple that is above the greater one. जो greater वाले से ऊपर पहले multiple आ रहा है, I'm going to take that. Means I'm going to take 9. So how many times it's occurring in the table of 3? It is occurring 3 times. So I'll write 3 here. Now I'll multiply. Now we'll multiply the divisor with this 3. 3 3s are 9. Now we'll subtract. We cannot subtract 9 from 0, so we'll borrow. So this 0 will become 10 and this 1 will become 0. So 10 minus 9 is 1 and 0 you can write as it is. Now our division stops here because we have already used all the digits. हमने सारे digits use कर रही हैं. And the remainder, how we come to know whether we have done the division, whether our division is stop over here. If we are getting the remainder which is smaller than divisor, अगर हमारा remainder divisor से छोटा है, it means we have completed our division. The division is completed. हम आगे और divide नहीं करेंगे. So our quotient is 3 and our remainder is 1. So we will write over here quotient is equals to 3 and remainder is 0. 1 means only 1. Okay. Now please have a look on B part. In this part we have to divide 15 by 2. Now if I'll consider only one digit, what is the digit? It is 1. 1 जो है 2 से डिवाइजर से छोटा है. So we cannot start with the division. हम division नहीं start कर सकते. We need one more digit. So I'll shift and I'll take one more digit, that is 5. Now the number will become 15. Now you know that 15 is greater than divisor, that is 2. 15 तो divisor से हमारे 2 से बड़ा है. Now we can start with the division. Let's read out the table of divisor. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. You can see I'm not getting 15 in this table. I'm getting 16, which is greater than 15. I cannot take 16 because it is greater than 15. I cannot subtract the greater number from the smaller number. So I'll take the multiple that is above it. जो इससे पहले है मैं उसे लूँगी. Means I'll take 15. How many times it is occurring in the table of 2? 7 times. So I'll write 7 here. Now I will multiply this 2 with the 7. 2 sevens are 14. Now we'll subtract 5 minus 4, 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we have used all the digits and our remainder is smaller than divisor. So we are not going to do any more division. Our division is complete. This is our quotient and this is our remainder. We'll write below, we'll mention it. Quotient is equals to 7 and remainder is equals to 1. Now students, have a look on C part. So here's our question. We have to divide 65 by 3. 65 is dividend and 3 is a divisor. First let's mark the places. This is 1's place and this is 10's place. Now first of all we are going to consider only one digit. What is the number? 6. Let's read out the table of divisor. 3 1's are 3. 3 2's are 6. So we are getting 6 in the table of divisor. हमें 3 की टेबल में divisor की टेबल में 6 मिल रहा है. How many times we are getting? We are getting 2 times. So we'll write 2 in 10's place and we'll multiply divisor with this 2. 3 2's are 6. Now we will subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring down the next digit, that is 5. Now again we'll read out the table of divisor. 3 1's are 3, 3 2's are 6. We are not getting 5 in the table of divisor. हमें divisor की टेबल में 5 नहीं मिल रहा है. 6 is greater than 5. 6 5 से बड़ा है, हम इसको नहीं ले सकते because we cannot subtract. So we'll take the number that is above it, the smaller one, that is 3. How many times it is occurring? 1 time. So we'll write 1 over here. We'll multiply this number with this digit. 3 1's are 3. Now we'll subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. We have used all the digits and the remainder is 2, which is smaller than divisor. हमारा जो remainder है वो divisor से छोटा है. So we have finished with our division. We are not going to divide anymore. So this is our quotient. Quotient is 21 and remainder is 2. So quotient is 21 and remainder is. Now have a look on D part. Here we have to divide 595 by 7. Let's mark the places. 1's, 10's, 100. 595, it's a 3-digit number. Now it's a 3-digit number, so we'll start dividing from 100's place digit. Now if I take only one digit, what is the digit? It is 5. It is smaller than divisor, so we cannot start with the division. So I need to take one more digit. Now the number becomes 59. 59 is greater than 7. Now we can start with the division. Let's read out the table of 7. 7 1's are 7. 7 2's are 14. 7 3's are 21. 7 4's are 28. 7 5's are 35. 7 6's are 42. 7 7's are 49. 7 8's are 56. 7 9's are 63. Now this 63 is greater than 59, so we cannot take this because we cannot subtract the greater number from the smaller one. So we are going to take the multiple. that is above it, the previous multiple, that is 56. How many times it is occurring in the table of 7? 8 times. So we'll write 8 here and we'll multiply this divisor by this digit. 7 8s are 56. Now we'll subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now we'll bring down the next digit, that is 5. Now the number becomes 35. Let's read out the table. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So we are getting 35 in the table of divisor. How many times? 5 times. So we'll write 5 here. We'll multiply divisor by this 5. 7 5s are 35. Now we'll subtract. 35 minus 35 is 0. We have used all the digits and the remainder is smaller than divisor. So our division is finished over here. This is quotient. Quotient is 85 and remainder is 0. So students, likewise you have to complete till D part and you have to try E part in your maths copy.